Hello friends, we'll just start in 2 to 3 minutes, waiting for some more participants to join. Thank you for joining the webinar. Thank you. Hello friends, we'll just start in 1 or 2 minutes, waiting for some more participants to join. We have 45 participants right now. Few are more joining. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome. Hi, this is Vikash Kandoi from Value Stocks. I have been heading a research team from last 15 years. So being a part of this wonderful journey of stock market and value stock, which is an exciting journey. All of you agree the stock market is an exciting journey to travel? Who all agree that stock market is an amazing place, and कितनों को लगता है कि स्टॉक मार्केट एक जबरदस्त रास्ता है तय करने के लिए लाइफ में? यस, आई कैन सी. Is there, is voice is okay? Is voice is okay, friends? Yeah, thank you. Gopal Krishna ji, please check your side. Yeah. So who all believe that stock market is a super place to work? काम तो सभी करते हैं, बट जो लोग स्टॉक मार्केट में करते हैं या स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं या ट्रेड करते हैं, आई थिंक द जर्नी ऑफ स्टॉक मार्केट इज अमेजिंग. इट्स अ नेवर एंडिंग. यस, थैंक यू उत्तम मल्लिक जी फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. यस, और ये ट्रू फीचर, what I should say, the true feature in ourselves, the true behavior what I believe, I don't know, many people will not agree, but may not agree, but the point is what I have experienced in my life. The two things, one is being married is a biggest thing in life, because you need to balance with the emotions of other person. And similarly the stock market. So with lots of challenges, you get lots of experience. The journey is amazing. If you're not in stock market, because whenever I meet some people who are not in stock market, when I talk to them, they're like, kya bol raha hai ye? Is this person is from NASA or what, or he's from anywhere else or what? Gir gaya, bad gaya. Oh, it's so dangerous. But those who does it, they know the fun of it, the pain of it, the benefit of it. Who all believe stock market is a pain? Is there anyone? We have 97 people. Anybody who still believes stock market is a pain, not a fun, not a enjoyment? Anybody who believe that? So you can write pain in on the chat. Anybody who believe that stock market is not a fun, it's a pain, only pain? Anybody? Okay, no, write pain. Anybody? 102 people. It's if you lose, but do you believe that it's only pain? Do you, anybody who believe that stock market is only pain? Okay, so do anybody who believe that stock market is an adventurous journey? Who all believe that stock market is an adventurous journey? Yes. So see, in fact, with the start of the webinar, I think I've got the very great message from every one of you, that कम से कम stock market कोई भी ये नहीं कहता है कि ये 100% pain है. That means there is some fire, there is some enjoyment, there is some adventure in stock market that we all believe. Exactly, Chandrasekharan ji. That is what attitude I wanted to know. Is anybody has this attitude that stock market is a pain? Acha, did you had any day? Let me ask this, because I think most of you are from stock market and have experienced both. So you are saying, anybody, किसी को कभी भी लगा अपने life में कि yeah, it is only pain. I have done mistake investing or trading in stock market. Anybody? Anybody who has ever felt it is only pain? Yes, exactly. A few days experience pain. Yeah. 10 seconds is yes. In fact, when I started in 2007 when I joined this company as a research analyst. So in start of the market, when we used to give calls to our sub broker, at that point of time, I was like, ये तो pain है यार. People are crying. Or when I started investing my money, it is 2008 when market crashed. Okay, when I was in research and our company granted us, okay, you can invest, but with a smaller amount, and you have to invest in market. You cannot exit your stocks for next 1 year. When I invested in 2008, and I asked my company, sir, I am losing money heavily. Can I exit? He said, no, as per the terms and condition, you cannot. Or so it was like, oh my God, the limited amount of salary which I was getting and I was investing, it become 50% drawdown. So friends, yes, until unless you see both side of the coin, it looks like a pain. But at the end of the day, like जब तक आप ये नहीं बता सकते कि ये सिक्का खोटा है कि खरा है, you cannot say that it's a fake note or correct note without seeing the both side of the currency or a coin. In a similar way, those who have experienced pain as well as the fun of the market. So friends, to why we are discussing this point, pain and fun and all, because today's topic is on small cap. Today's topic is on small cap, which is a clear cut, thing of pain and pleasure. Who all believe that small cap is one category स्मॉल कैप एक ऐसी कैटेगरी है जो आपको आपके don't take me otherwise, don't take me literally, I was saying that, but I don't know why I'm getting this point in my mind, but ये आपको पाप पुण्य बहुत clearly समझाती है. When you are making money, you feel like, oh my God, the way I'm making money in my stocks, इसका मतलब मैंने बहुत पुण्य किया है. But when you start losing, you start sweating and saying, I have done lots of sin, I think. And these are the part of my sin, these are the rewards of my sin. When small cap doesn't give you money. And friend, और इसी पाप पुण्य को न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए वैल्यू स्टॉक्स हैज ऑलवेज बीन yes Yogesh Sharma ji, value stocks has always been with you guys so that you may not feel this pain and pleasure, because pain is huge in stock market and in small cap, mostly in small cap. Can anybody write why there is much pain in small cap or much fun in small cap? Small cap में सबसे ज्यादा पेन और enjoyment क्यों होता है? What is the reason? What do you think? High volatility, okay. Believe risk is high, okay. Volatility, okay. I'm not getting that particular answer. Chance to become multi-bagger? No, I have not got any answer which is correct. What I feel is a correct answer. Low liquidity, not sure if it will grow or not. News sensitive, slightly correct. News sensitive, okay. Right time of prediction, no. Has sustained for longer time because nobody knows what is the future of small cap companies. Not correct exactly. Speculation, new business, first things to follow large cap when make up new idea. Equity size small, no. They are comparatively risk, no. So now let me answer, because too many speculation has happened. So let me answer this. Friends, the biggest reason for small cap to perform is, you will be shocked to know this, but when you will listen to me and if you follow this, you will get to know, you will experience this very much, is a reason of cheap valuation. Have you ever thought this? Small cap हमेशा इसलिए ज्यादा बढ़ते हैं क्योंकि they are available at cheap valuation. Anybody who have experienced this? Anybody who have experienced this? Because they are available at cheap valuation, that is the reason. और fall के time में, because now those who have written ki uncertainty is more, the risk is more, people do not know what will be the future. This happens because at the time of sell market, but when market are bullish, people try to find out low P stocks, low valuation stock, and you can only get those low valuation stocks in small cap. You cannot get this low valuation small stocks in large cap and mid cap. Mid cap में फिर भी 50-50 chances हैं low P मिलने के, but in large cap you will not get. So people rush to find out. See, when markets are bullish, what do you do? You try to find out कि किसमें सबसे बड़ा पैसा बनने का chance है, which is still selling at cheapest price, lowest price, a good valuation. So what happened? Those have reason, okay. Those who have not reason, let's try that. When they rise further, और गिरते वो क्यों हैं? Because there is an uncertainty. You guys have written that because volatility is low volume. So what happened? अगर कोई 1000 शेयर भी बेच देता है, then stock goes down by 5%, 6%. So these are the reasons. Yes, Sumanta ji, that is what we will be discussing small cap today. So small cap has high risk. So friends, let's start today's journey with small cap, how one should start. So before that, how many of you are new to us? Like, anybody who is doing this webinar with us for the first time with the value stocks? Okay, I saw two people raise their hand. Okay, thank you. So thank you, Hina ji. Thank you. Thank you, Toshiv ji. Thank you, Sanjay Patil ji. Okay, we have very many new members in our family. So thank you for showing your first trust to value stocks. We are highly thankful to you for showing this first trust to value stocks. Hope you will enjoy today's session and you will add value to today's session. Okay, so friends, let's start the journey of small cap. So before starting that, for the new people, most of you know us. For new people, let me briefly introduce our company and value stocks. So friends, so my name is Vikash Kandoi and I'm head of research of value stocks. And about us, value stocks, we are a SEBI registered investment advisor, NSE BSE registered stockbroker, NSDL depository participants, and MP registered mutual fund advisor, portfolio managers. We are more than 20 years old company incorporated as Dynamic Equities Private Limited. Many of our old friends know us as with the name of Dynamic Equities Private Limited. We have our head office in Kolkata at Technopolis, which is a renowned building in Salt Lake City. And we also have a branch in Mumbai. With our experience and research, we have created this app known as Value Stocks. We'll be discussing in brief about Value Stocks. What is Value Stocks app? First of all, let me give you a brief idea. Value Stocks is an idea to create a fundamental stock list for general customer. मैं वापस से इस बात को हिंदी में बता देता हूं. जनरल इन्वेस्टर्स इज एन आइडिया, ये एक सोच है वैल्यू स्टॉक्स जो आप जैसे कॉमन इन्वेस्टर्स को एम्पावर करेगी अच्छे स्टॉक्स को लेने के लिए. फ्रेंड्स, आप मेरे पास कितने भी पुअर स्टॉक्स लेके आ जाएं, अगर आई नो आज के दिन सबके पास कहीं ना कहीं कुछ नॉन क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स होंगे जो बढ़ रहे हैं, which is going up, and the more you ask me that sir देखिए these are the non quality stocks, you the sales down है, profit नहीं है, but still they are going up, should we buy, why buy? We'll say no. So the best part of value stocks is those who are our old customer, they know is we will never promote non quality stocks because मेरी और आपकी साझेदारी सिर्फ यहीं तक नहीं है, बुल मार्केट के लिए नहीं है. वी वांट टू बी योर ऑल टाइम एडवाइजर even in rising market and in falling market. So we will never be promoting any non quality stocks. Okay, we'll only be discussing on quality, and what is that quality, how quality is defined, we'll be discussing that also in few minutes for new people. Okay, so we already had 1200 plus paid, satisfied, happy customers who are enjoying value stocks, who have already become a advisor, who have already become their own analyst. Okay, thank you, ma'am. And yes, the mastermind behind all these understanding is, I think most of you knows this, Mr. Salesh Saraf, who is a founder of Value Stocks app, and with his 25 years of research and experience has created this app, and is right now he is a popular face. So he only meet his paid customer and those who have attended one-to-one webinar with us. We'll be discussing that also. And his YouTube channel is, those who want to listen to him, you can listen to him on YouTube channel, that is Mr. Saraf on YouTube. So he has right now 15,000 plus subscribers in this. Okay, now let us come. Sorry. So how we have created this research, we have the team of 10 people who have created this research. So this is the thing. So let's go fast. Okay, now let's come what is small cap and how to tackle small cap movement, how you can make profit in small cap. So friends, let me first of all give you So there are friends, can you please tell me, okay, Anupam ji, we will discuss that. Okay, so friends, can you tell me how many stocks are listed in NSE? We have 147 people. If you can know, how many stocks are listed in NSE? Okay, 1200, 4000, okay, 3000, 15. Oh my god, 1300, okay, 3000 plus. So friends, there are 1600 plus companies listed in NSE. Okay, right now there are only 1600 plus companies. And if you take BSE, which has uh, so these 1600 companies are both in NSE and BSE, but if you see only BSE, so there are 5000 stocks, and most of them are bogus stocks and very difficult with poor fundamental stocks. So first of all, we need to understand those who are new to this webinar. For them, I'm saying, please only focus on companies which are listed in NSE. Do not go for companies which are in BSE. फ्रेंड्स, यहीं पे इतने सारे स्टॉक्स हैं, यहाँ पे ही इतने सारे स्टॉक्स हैं NSE में, तो why should go for BSE stocks? See, why we are talking only NSE? See, what is important for investors? Important for an investor is to, which is more important, friend? Let me ask this. Which is more important, making money or making money with limited risk or defined risk? मैंने एक सवाल पूछा कि पैसा बनाना सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि पैसे बनाने के साथ साथ रिस्क को मैनेज करते रहना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है? कैपिटल प्रोटेक्शन, बोथ, एग्जैक्टली। खाली पैसा बनाना इंपॉर्टेंट है क्या? व्हाट विल हैपन इफ एक्सीडेंट हैपेंस? अगर बाजार में एक्सीडेंट हो जाए तो क्या होगा? So both is important. You can take risk, not required to be in low risk, but you can take risk. But with you need both money as well as calculated risk. Okay. So friends, yes. So both, you need both calculated risk as well as. So friends, क्या होता है जब NSE के आप स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, ओनली NSE, तो NSE के फिल्टर्स और स्ट्रॉन्ग है. They do not include in exchange until unless company pass certain filters, like 5 साल से प्रॉफिट में है, कंपनी नेटवर्थ पॉजिटिव है, then only they take into consideration of listing any company in NSE. Okay, so there are some rules, hard rules, but for BSE what happened, they have loosened the rules. So what happened, वहां पे स्टॉक तो बहुत है but risk बहुत ज्यादा है. So friends, we should only focus in NSE stocks. This is the first most important thing an investor should do. So there are 1600 plus companies in NSE right now, out of which top 100 as per market capitalization are large cap companies. Top 100 are large cap companies. From 101 to 250s are mid cap companies, and rest are all small cap companies. Okay, ये आप लोग को समझ में आया? There are 1600. So around, if we remove 250 from here, then around 1350 stocks are in small cap. 1350 कंपनी स्मॉल कैप में है. Can anybody tell me how many company out of 1350 will have good quality out of 1350? 1350 कंपनियों में what do you think, how many companies should have good quality? 250, 50, 150, okay, 10%, that is 130, okay, 100. And do you know names of those quality companies? That is most important part of this webinar. Nifty 50 is large cap. Do you know names of these companies? Friends, if you are trading in small cap, if you are investing in small cap, you need to be very much clear that fundamentals of small cap companies are good. Large cap companies, sometime they come back, but with small cap company, your money will never come back. It become very difficult. Even there are companies which crashed in 2008, they're still below price of 2008. जो 2008 में गिरावट हुई थी, ऐसी भी कंपनियां हैं जो अभी तक 2008 के लो के नीचे चल रही है, बहुत बहुत ज्यादा लो के नीचे चल रही है। लेकिन 2008 में उनको बढ़ा दिया गया था, इन्वेस्टर्स को एंट्री दे दी गई थी उसमें, which is not Nifty 200 is Shyam Garg ji, Nifty 200 is not a small cap. We are only talking about small cap today. So friends, it's become very important to invest only quality stocks in while you are investing in small cap. Okay, and अगर आप ये दो चीज रखें, क्वालिटी एंड वैल्यूएशन स्मॉल कैप में, then you are through and you will be making ultimate return in small cap. You will make ultimate return in small cap. Okay friends, so मैं आपको दो चार बातें बताता हूं स्मॉल कैप में जो हम लोगों को ध्यान रखनी है. What are these two? सबसे बड़ी बात, इंस्टीट्यूशंस. अगर कोई स्मॉल कैप कंपनी में इंस्टीट्यूशंस नहीं है तो उस स्मॉल कैप कंपनी को अवॉइड करना है. Any company which is a small cap, if there is no institutional investment, please avoid that company. So friends, why institutions do not invest in small cap? Because these are some of the reasons they do not invest in small cap. Small cap stocks, you guys know this very well, they lack liquidity, entry and exit is difficult. Small cap stock, because small size, impact cost becomes too high. Due to weak liquidity, small cap companies become very volatile. Financials of most small cap companies are weak compared to large and mid cap companies. Most of the small cap companies lack very important parameter for investing, which is free cash flow. We will be discussing this in detail, free cash flow. Most of the small cap companies do not invest much in companies. A compliance team, audit team, and due diligence team. Thus, institutions find it difficult to study about these companies. Friends, jahan bhi, wherever you will find difficulty in studies, information, data, institutions will not invest in those companies. So if there is no institution, can anybody tell me what is the reason? No issue, Ankit ji. This is a webinar for discussion only, so there is no distraction. I think let's listen to everyone and do the thing. Yeah. So friends, do you understand why people do not invest in why institution do not invest? And agar institution investment nahi kar rahe hain, now this is now a query from my side to you guys, if you can answer this, कि what is the problem in buying any company जिसमें institution नहीं है? Can you tell me this? What can be the repercussion of buying any stocks which do not have institution? अगर कोई कंपनी में इंस्टीट्यूशन ने इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं किया है और हम उसको अगर बाई करते हैं तो क्या दिक्कतें आ सकती है? Liquidity, okay. No liquidity. Anything else? Lack of transparency, great. No proper research, great. That can be bogus and could be delisted, great. That is the, yes, Amanji, that has happened to many companies. Thank you. In fact, I had experienced this, but I have not written this on the PPT. But that is the correct answer, I think. And I have seen that also. Yeah. It means their fundamentals are not strong, very risky, can be delisted. Okay. Thank you, Meetji. Thank you. Losing, most important point which we always say, whenever there is a fall in market, you will find those stocks falling free flow. अगर बाजार में गिरावट आती है तो ऐसी कंपनियां बहुत जोर से गिरती हैं. कारण कोई सपोर्ट देने के लिए नहीं है. Like example, please understand this. If you have good family or friend in your life, small mutual funds are like good friends and family for a stock. अगर आप किसी मुसीबत में पड़ते हैं, if you have good friends and family, there is someone to support you when you are in trouble. It may be financial, it may be medical, it may be anything, health issues. So they support you. Okay, somebody is there to stand behind you, either it be financially or it be emotionally or it be physically. But if they are not there, you need to fight yourself. You have to become very strong company and you have to fight. But if nobody is there, then, and see what happen if the company is not that strong. Like अगर कोई भी large cap company में अगर, हालांकि ऐसा है नहीं, every large cap company has mutual fund investment, but अगर large cap company अगर हो तो फिर भी they can survive, but small cap company will not be able to survive because it's small. And if they don't, so mutual fund behave like a friends and family to a company. If a company do not have friends and family, then that means mutual fund or institutions, that means that company may fall in trap any point of time at the time of crisis. So friends, be clearly aware that if you are holding any company, मैं आप लोग सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, बहुत लोगों के पास स्मॉल कैप स्टॉक्स होंगे, ठीक है, प्लीज चेक करिए. पहले तो आपको ये भी नहीं पता होगा कि आपके पास कितने स्मॉल कैप स्टॉक्स है, बिकॉज you guys must be buying looking at the CNBC and all, most of you, because I used to buy like that when I was not part of value stocks, so and did not have that understanding. So friends, अगर आप वैसे बाय कर रहे हैं तो आपके पास बहुत से स्टॉक आ गए होंगे जिसमें म्यूचुअल फंड नहीं है. If mutual funds are not investing in any company, then now you need to exit those companies. Yes, Amanji will show you that. It's very easy. You can see this everywhere. And if you log into value stocks, you can see that. We'll show you that also. Just a second. Yeah. So, yes, Hinaji, exactly. Because you are not investing in companies that has mutual fund investment. Okay, so friends, so most important part, so we have completed first part of learning in small cap, that you should only invest in companies in small cap. You will be tempted, आप लोगों को tempt किया जाएगा ऐसे कंपनीज में इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के लिए जिसमें इंस्टीट्यूशंस नहीं है. But please friends, please be aware and do not invest in companies which do not have mutual fund. Small cap has given huge rally from 4300 to 9900. Friends, जितना आप लोगों ने बनाया नहीं है उससे डबल आप खो सकते हो, इसलिए अभी भी समय है. Hold your horses, do not get carried away with poor stocks, and पहला रूल आप लोगों को अपनाना है कि invest only in companies which has institution investment, mutual fund investment in small cap. So we have 156 people. If you can write this on chat, we will only invest in companies, which has institution mutual fund holding. Can you write this on chat? Where we have 158 people right now. Can you write this on chat? We will only invest in companies. Thank you, Hinaji. So friends, I don't know, this may sound kiddish or whatever you can feel like, but friends, this will help you to keep my point in your mind and in your heart. We'll only invest, you please invest in small cap. There's nothing problem in investing in small cap. Do not be in, like, you can decide to have blue chip and mid cap, but there is one very good quote which I'm getting from everyone, from most of my clients. One of my client is saying कि risk है तो isk hai. Yeah, so फ्रेंड्स इसमें कहीं खराब नहीं है कि इफ यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग स्मॉल कैप इन्वेस्ट 20% 30%, इतना रिस्क तो आपको लेना ही चाहिए 20% 30% के कैपिटल पे, बिकॉज रिटर्न्स बहुत ह्यूज बनते हैं स्मॉल कैप में. सो इफ so I can see only few people agree to my point that ki we should only invest in companies which has a mutual fund and institution. Thank you Jagan Naidu ji. So this will make you more peaceful, more confident in your investment, that okay, somebody is there to support me. If market falls, I need not to worry. I will hold my stocks, even the small cap stocks, and will sleep in peace. Okay, so this is first and foremost important task you need to do with your small cap stocks. Yes. Anil Ambani, correct. So now coming back to next point. So friends, what is next that I have? Then where acha now so friends, now we are talking quality and quality. So what do we mean by quality? अभी quality का मतलब क्या है? What do you mean by quality? Quality means only 4 things. Quality में मतलब सिर्फ 4 बातें हैं. What are those 4 points? Those 4 points are, anybody from the group want to say that 4 points? How do we decide quality? What is this? What are those 4 points? Okay, Sachin ji is writing sales growth. Thank you. No, Ajay ji, no low P. EPS growth. Okay. Hemant Kulkarni ji has written EPS growth. No management, nothing. Profit growth, correct. Cash flow, okay. Promoter stake, no. Lokesh ji. Liquidity, no. Nobody has written that. I'm shocked. You guys have, okay, return on equity. Thank you. So friends, only 4 points to define a quality stock. Only 4 points. Sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and free cash flow. No, just Reddy ji, only 4 points to define quality stocks is sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and पॉजिटिव फ्री कैश फ्लो. मैं सबसे विनती करूंगा, रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, ये जो मार्केट है, जो लोग नए who all have opened their demat account in last 1 year, किन्होंने अपना 1 साल में first time they have opened their demat account, please forgive me if I am talking anything. Okay, AKG, anybody else? Me, okay. Friends, for you all, you have not seen the cruel part of stock market. Purnima ji, Jahan Jeb ji, and Sanjay ji, Venkat Raj ji, Ashish Patel ji, you guys have not seen the cruel part of stock market. I have seen that. I've seen stocks coming down from 600 to 60 rupees, 5,000 to 2 rupees. Friends, with the investment, मैंने investment भी देखा होगा आप लोगों ने. Only you might have seen that on charts, but I have seen that in my portfolio. So friends, and I've seen that in clients' portfolio happening this. So please friends, अगर आप लोगों को ऐसा कुछ भी experience नहीं करना है, and if you want to fight with this cruel part of the market, then please follow the 4 parameters, which is sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. अगर ये 4 parameters आपके stocks में होंगे, Nobody can take your profits from you. आपका stocks आपसे कोई नहीं छीन पाएगा. Otherwise, you will buy at 100, you will sell at 20. Or else, if you follow these 4 parameters, there's a high probability you will buy at 100, you might see 60, 70 when market will fall, and you will sell at 200 rupees. Okay, correction में these stocks fall by only 20-30%, not more than that. But the poor quality stocks fall by 80, 90, 100%. So friends, 4 parameters. Let me repeat this once again. Sales growth. Why sales growth? कोई बता सकता है why sales growth? Why sales growth? Why sales growth? Because that is the start of a company's revenue. कंपनी की शुरुआत उसी से होती है. बोलते हैं ना शुभारंभ. The शुभारंभ is from sales growth. Sales हो रहा है, that means people are liking the product. People are liking its product. अगर sales हो रही है, no problem, company is going up. Sales हो रही है और profit भी हो रही है, सोने पे सुहागा. Sales is increasing, profit is increasing. That means company is such a powerful company. उसका management इतना powerful है कि sales के साथ साथ he know how to manage money. That means it's an amazing company. Now, you may have sales, you may have profits, but you do not have behavior of controlling your expenditure. Example, मैं 100 करोड़ रुपए की मैंने सेल्स की, एक कंपनी ने 100 करोड़ रुपए का सेल्स किया, 20 करोड़ का प्रॉफिट किया और 25 करोड़ रुपए उन्होंने ऑफिस चकाचौंध ऑफिस बनाने में लगा दिया. What is the savings they had for that year? Anybody? One company which has made sales of 100 crore, made profit of 20 crore, and has spended or invested, whatever you can say, it's an expenditure, decorated his office with 25 CR cost. So what do you think? What is his negative? What is his total saving of that year? -5 crore. In one of my webinar, somebody wrote 5 lakh rupees debt liability. I think that is a correct answer one can give. So no, that is not crazy guy. You meet Bansal ji. Right now, India may out of 1600 companies, there are almost 800 companies are like this only. So 800 companies are really crazy companies. This is the behavior of thank you, Manish Joshi ji. Thank you. We need to become an astrologer then, but we want to create a right fundamental, not astrology. So friends, the point is we need to follow only these 4 points: sales growth, profit growth, and sales growth, profit growth, and positive free cash flow. The 4th one is return on equity greater than 15. So friends, return on equity अब क्या हुई? मैंने जो अपना पैसा लगाया उस कंपनी में, उस पैसे को लेके जो कंपनी इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रही है अपने प्रोडक्ट में और में, उससे कितना रिटर्न निकाल पा रही. So that is important for my aspect. So friends, I would request you, I would request you if you can write these 4 points on chat: sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. Sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. This will help you in making your clear understanding कि मुझे इसी कंपनी में इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, आई विल नॉट गो हेवायर. म्यूचुअल फंड इज ऑल्सो देयर फॉर स्मॉल कैप. सो आप ऐड कर सकते हो एक और पॉइंट, म्यूचुअल फंड. तो सेल्स ग्रोथ, प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ, रिटर्न इक्विटी greater than 15 and positive free cash flow and mutual fund investment. So these 5 points will help you to invest in companies. See friends, market, as I'm again saying you, thank you Rajiv Bhatnagar ji, request everyone to write that, not required for valuation. Small cap companies are all undervalued companies. So you don't require Siddharth ji other parameters. In fact, these 5 parameters encompasses everything. सेल्स ग्रोथ ही होना चाहिए सर. राजीव जी, रवि मेहता जी, अगर डी ग्रोथ हो रहा है 100 करोड़ करके अब की बार 99 करोड़ किया है तो खराब है. 100 करोड़ करके अगर 101 करोड़ भी है तो इट्स गुड. 20 करोड़ का प्रॉफिट के बाद 21 करोड़ भी है नेक्स्ट ईयर तो अच्छा है. अरे सर, ग्रोथ मेंटेन करना ही बहुत बड़ी बात है. ओके, सो सेल्स ग्रोथ, थैंक यू प्रभु जी. सेल्स ग्रोथ, प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ, रिटर्न इक्विटी greater than 15 and positive free cash flow and mutual fund. So friend, these 5 points will help you to invest in a great companies in small cap category. Okay, now when one should, okay, so friends, this is very important part, that if you're investing in small cap, now what kind of return one should expect from small cap? क्या return देती है small cap? What is the potential of small cap? What is the potential of small cap? If you can write 100%, okay, sometime 50%. अगर मैं सिंपल भाषा में बात करूं, अगर आप प्रॉपर्ली स्मॉल कैप में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं लॉन्ग टर्म, इफ यू आर थिंकिंग लॉन्ग टर्म, कानू साहू जी इज राइटिंग 1000%. It's not like this. A small cap has, let me show you this. Let me show you one data. So एक मिथ है कि स्मॉल कैप में हम लोग 1000% जब तेजी होती है तो 1000% सोचते हैं, और मंदी होती है तो हम लोग सोचते हैं कि बहुत ज्यादा गिर जाएगी, जीरो हो जाएगी. ऐसी बात नहीं है. सो फ्रेंड, दिस इज वन डेटा आई हैव right now. You all know small cap risen 100%. So see, in 2004 Nifty has risen 15%, mid cap have risen 35%, small cap risen 75%. 67, 64, 83, 12, 1, 15, 24, 29, 25. Then there's a fall of 58%, 45%, 35%, 129%. So friends, अगर आप इसको एवरेज आउट करेंगे तो एनुअली यू विल गेट, अगर आप लॉन्ग टर्म में रहते हैं स्मॉल कैप के संग, तो एनुअली यू विल गेट 30% फॉल राइज दोनों मिला के. लेकिन इसके अंदर आपको करना क्या होगा? यू नीड टू इन्वेस्ट इन अ क्वालिटी कंपनी. नाउ व्हाट कैन हैपन टू यू इफ यू डू नॉट इन्वेस्ट इन क्वालिटी कंपनी? लेट मी शो यू दैट ऑल्सो. जब मार्केट, we have made one study because you guys have only seen teji in the right now. So जब मार्केट में मंदी आती है तो how do small cap behave? Let me show you that. Would you like to see this? Would you like to know what happened to the small cap when there is fall in market? How many of you like to see that? What happened to small cap when there is a fall in market? Because some people are like, sir, क्या हुआ? I have been getting some of the queries in the chat that sir, मार्केट्स तो ऊपर जा रहे हैं, सम ऑफ द नॉन क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स आप लोग ने रेटिंग दिया हुआ है उसका पुअर कंपनी, बट वो लोग तो बहुत बढ़ रहे हैं, 70 80% बढ़ रहे हैं. सो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू आंसर फॉर दैट क्वेरी. फॉर दोस क्वेरीज आई नीड टू गिव आंसर. फ्रेंड, लेट मी शो यू दिस. सो एवरीबडी नोज कि मार्केट में 7500 निफ्टी ने लो बनाया था ऑन 23 मार्च 2020 को. सो हम लोगों ने क्या किया, मार्च 2020 से एक साल पहले का मूवमेंट ले लिया हर एक स्टॉक्स का, हर एक कैटेगरी का, लार्ज कैप, मिड कैप, स्मॉल कैप एंड स्मॉल कैप मिनी। सो पहले मैं आपको स्मॉल कैप ही दिखाता हूं। सो वी हैव टेकन टॉप 25 क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स इन स्मॉल कैप। ठीक है, इसमें भी स्टॉक्स गिरे हैं 43%, 42%, 43%, but overall the return was negative by 15%. Return was negative by 15%. Okay, small cap mini, which is a very low market cap company, that has fallen by 48%, where small cap index 48% गिर चुके थे उस समय। स्मॉल कैप इंडेक्स 48% गिरे थे और अच्छे क्वालिटी के स्टॉक्स 15% ही गिरे अगर आप टॉप 25 क्वालिटी कंपनीज में डालते। स्मॉल कैप मिनी आर दोस कंपनीज व्हिच हैज मार्केट कैप बिलो 1000 करोड़। ओके, नाउ what happened to, would you like to know what happened to poor quality companies? Would you like to see? Would you like to see what happened to poor quality companies? This is, I'm talking about good quality company. Market has fallen by 48% and good quality companies has fallen by 15%. क्योंकि अगर बाजार में गिरावट आएगी तो अलग तो है नहीं, वो लोग तो गिरेंगे। Let's see what happened to the non-quality company. Non-quality company. So हम लोगों ने जितने भी poor companies थे उस समय उन सबको ले लिया। They has fallen by 56%, more than the index. Friends, ये तो 25 कंपनियां हैं, इसमें ऐसी भी कंपनियां थी जो लोग 80% गिर गए। ठीक है, नाउ स्मॉल कैप मिनी जो कि 1000 करोड़ से नीचे की मार्केट कैप है, they has fallen by 65%. So friends, do you think जब मार्केट गिरेंगे और ऐसा फॉल आएगा तो you will be able to survive in that market? How many of you believe this कि हाँ हम लोग फिर भी सर्वाइव करेंगे? हेमंत कुलकर जी, right now we do not have that. See, everybody knows कि अब सारे स्टॉक्स डबल हो गए हेमंत कुलकर्णी जी, बट द पॉइंट इज आप लोगों को ये जानना है जो फ्यूचर हो सकता है अगर कभी भी मार्केट्स विल नेवर कीप ऑन गोइंग अप एंड अप एंड अप। जहां पे स्मॉल कैप में वैल्यूएशन खत्म हुआ वहां पे देयर विल बी अ फॉल इन मार्केट। उस समय खाली क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स आपको बचाएगा, उस समय खाली क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स आपको बचाएगा। ओके, सो डू नॉट गो बिहाइंड प्राइस मोमेंटम और मूवमेंट इन प्राइस। आप लोग जो प्राइस के मूवमेंट के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, इट्स नॉट करेक्ट फ्रेंड। प्लीज अगर भागना है फंडामेंटल के पीछे भागिए, प्राइस मूवमेंट झक मार के आपके पीछे आएगा। अ कोट फ्रॉम थ्री इडियट्स। ठीक है, भागना है तो आप लोग प्लीज फंडामेंटल्स के पीछे भागिए, क्वालिटी कंपनीज के पीछे भागिए, प्राइस खुद ब खुद आपके पीछे आएगा। मोमेंटम प्राइस खुद ब खुद आपके पीछे आएगा। बट अगर आप खाली प्राइस के पीछे में भागेंगे तो कभी ना कभी बहुत जोर ट्रैप होंगे। दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द वेबिनार इज for those who are investing in small cap. Now friends, now so this is one thing, if you can manage these things, how to choose stocks. So Hena ji, I have already said for the 5 parameters for selecting small cap stocks. Now for you guys, what we right now have 5 strategies in small cap. Let me show you that also. So our website name is valuestocks.in. I'm just writing on chat for everyone. Okay, so I will also show you, take you to my app, which is a great app for investors. Okay, now this is our website, valuestocks.in. I've already sent you the link of this website. Again, sending link of website if you guys want to Okay, so if you come to 20, we have created 20 equity strategies, okay, from great gurus like Sunil Singhania, Benjamin Graham. उन लोग की अंडरस्टैंडिंग के थ्रू इन्हीं 4 पैरामीटर को मद्देनजर रखते हुए हम लोगों ने कुछ स्ट्रेटजीज बनाई हैं which is giving super return for our investors. If you click on small cap, there are 5 strategies, 2 strategies quarterly strategies and 3 yearly strategies. Okay, so you can see the low P strategy which has given 155% return. Then we have also created Benjamin Graham strategy, and there is one great guru, international guru, Mr. Jim Slater. We have created his strategies also. उनके ideology पे हम लोगों ने एक strategy बनाई है. If you click on quarterly, we have created small cap price momentum which has given return of 176% in last 1 year. Let me show you this. हर quarter, तो हर quarter इसमें आपको stocks मिलते जाएंगे. क्या है वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपको रीबैलेंसिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. डू यू एनीबडी हु अंडरस्टैंड रीबैलेंसिंग? एवरीबडी अंडरस्टैंड रीबैलेंसिंग? yes yes Mahesh Kadir ji, it will fall, it may fall. Small cap companies will fall greater than large and mid cap, but नॉन क्वालिटी कंपनीज के मुकाबले बहुत कम बढ़ेंगे, कम गिरेंगे. सॉरी, या सो आई वाज आस्किंग यू. ओके, रीबैलेंसिंग मींस हर क्वार्टर, डू यू नो कि हम लोग के इंडिया में हर एक कंपनी रिजल्ट्स कब देती है? कोई भी कंपनी, हर एक जो 1600 कंपनीज हैं, ये अपना रिजल्ट कब देती हैं? When do we get results of companies? 31st March. Okay, quarterly. Thank you Sachin ji. Yes, so Reddy ji, it's every quarter in Indian context, मतलब Indian system में, in fact सब जगह यही है. तो हर जगह quarterly results मिलते हैं. तो every quarter you come to know about the sales of the company, about the profit of the company, you get to know. और yearly में आपको free cash flow और return equity भी मिलती है. So with that understanding, तो क्वार्टर में अगर सेल्स गिर गई तो क्वार्टर में मुझे पता है कि मुझे क्या एक्शन लेना है इन कंपनी में. if you come to know that sales has fallen in this particular company in quarterly, you know what is the action you can take in this particular company. So friends, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इसीलिए we rebalance some strategies quarterly. अगर कोई कंपनी, because it's small cap में you need to be very careful with sales and profit. अगर कोई कंपनी सडनली प्रॉफिट्स गिर जा रही हैं, या सडनली बिकॉज कंपनी के पास ऑर्डर नहीं है, कंपनी के पास कुछ काम नहीं है, तो अगर ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है कंपनी में, तो वहां से उस कंपनी से हम लोग को एग्जिट करना होगा. नो, so it become very important to exit from these companies. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, क्वार्टरली उसको रीबैलेंस करते हैं. Yes, exactly, like travel companies right now. So friends, इसीलिए हम लोग हर क्वार्टर उसका जजमेंट करते हैं कि सेल्स और प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ कहीं घटे तो नहीं. अगर घटे हैं तो लेट्स एग्जिट फ्रॉम दिस कंपनी, बाद में देखेंगे. और किसी कंपनी का अच्छा हुआ है तो लेट्स एंटर इन दिस कंपनी. So you remove those company which do not look very favorable, which has shown bad result, and which has shown good result, you enter in those companies. So ऐसे करके we rebalance some companies. So we have created this strategy. जिसने लास्ट 5 साल में 176% का रिटर्न दिया है, which is a CAGR of 34%, friend. That means 3 साल में पैसे डबल से थोड़े से ज्यादा. So in 3 years you can double your money in small cap. You need to follow the strategy. Okay, let's come. How was the journey of this strategy? we have given this stock list on 20th Feb, जिसने 23% इंडेक्स बढ़ी है, and this strategy has risen 46%, and 29, 35, 8, 4, 17, 39, minus 21%, minus 17%. As I said, we will fall, but we will fall less than the index. So you can see that 7, 29, 4, 22, minus 16, minus 18, minus plus 15, 11. So this is the kind of return we have created in small cap quarter on quarter. So friends, एक तरीका है, you decide on your own stock. Please follow fundamental for small cap. But if you don't have much time with you, if you want the name, small cap के लिए तो हमेशा यही करना चाहिए. Like what I should say, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, घर में जो बहुत difficult task है, we appoint a person for that. Like अगर I'm a management, I will not do accounting because it will take full day. Okay, I will do decision making work. In a similar way, those who are too busy in their work are not 24-hour dedicated person for stock market. For them, I would request a small cap एक आग है. Friends, small cap एक आग है, इसीलिए आप इस आग के संग डायरेक्टली मत खेलिए. Invest in strategies, okay, and you can see what kind of return this strategy can give you. Okay, so you can see this. So this is one strategy which has given 34% CAGR return. Okay, if you have invested 5 lakh rupees, so in 2015, so amount would have been 22 lakhs. So these are some of the figures, and so let us see. So ये एक strategy है. Let us see the other strategy. Okay, and we have also given drawdown when there was fall in market, how this strategy has fallen. So when index has fallen 48%, these the stocks in this strategy has fallen 41%, and this was a drawdown at any point of time at the lowest price. This was a drawdown, but had ended in 7% negative only. Okay, when market ended 21%. So क्या होता है, जब ये stocks गिरते हैं तो ये बढ़ते भी उतनी तेजी से, लेकिन जब पुअर क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स होते हैं वो बहुत तेजी से गिर जाते हैं, but they do not rise. They do not rise. They need another bull market to rise. Okay, so and good quality stocks, they fall, they rise drastically, and they keep on rising. और हम लोग क्या होता है, we stay in such a poor stocks, such a कचरा stocks we keep on investing कि हम लोग quality stocks पे ध्यान नहीं जाते. So friends, right now there are 8 stocks, and friends, one good news is on 7th of July, that is almost a month or approx a month after, we are launching a stock list of small cap price momentum. Okay, so friends, लोगों ने बहुत पैसे बनाए हैं. It's your turn now to make money in small cap strategies, and let's see another strategy. The next strategy is small cap low P, which has given almost equal return to 176, is 165%. Let's see how it has given. So 166%, CAGR is 33%, approximately same. 23 and 51%. As I said you, the low P तो और ज़्यादा strongly चलता है जब market गिरे हुए रहते हैं. 29, 26, 8, 21, 17, 4, 11. So right now there are 8 stocks. Index drawdown was 48%, and the strategy drawdown, you can see we have given all the drawdowns and everything here. So क्या drawdown रहा, क्या हुआ? So COVID is a one kind of scenario, but market में अगर 10-15% का fall होता है, so you will see portfolio falling by 5-6% only. Okay, so 166% is a return, and some great stocks. Yes, swing sir, swing. This is for quarterly rebalancing. My recommendation will be go for quarterly rebalancing. because it will help you to churn your portfolio every quarter, जिसमें अगर कोई कंपनी में एक्सीडेंट हो रहा है या होने वाला है तो वो एग्जिट हो जाएगा, क्योंकि कोई भी एक्सीडेंट होता है अगर कोई कंपनी में, it takes at least 6 to 7 month or a year, तो क्वार्टर में ही वो स्टॉक्स एग्जिट हो जाते हैं. But however, we have some of the annual strategies on public demand, on our client demand. So there are 3 annual strategies. One is small cap low P strategy, small cap low P strategy, so which has given, the index has risen 52%. This is an annual strategy and the strategy has risen 62%. So CAGR is somewhere around 30%. Okay, and you can see the kind of return it has created every year. So you will get 12 to 13 stock in this category also. This is small cap low P annual, where you don't need to exit quarterly. You need to rebalance it after a year. Okay, and we are very confident in giving return, friends. हम लोग unnecessary हम लोग बातें नहीं करते हैं. We only create returns. Now this is Benjamin Graham. Anybody who have heard about Benjamin Graham? How many of you have heard about Benjamin Graham? Do you know he is known as a father of value investing, and Warren Buffett is a intelligent investor, correct, sir? Or Warren Buffett is consider him his guru. He has taken all the learnings from Benjamin Graham. Okay, so guru of Warren Buffett, correct. So has been reading Intelligent Investor. He has been reading Intelligent Investors several times, and Warren Buffett says that हर बार मैं read करता हूँ and every time I find new thing in this book. Whatever. So you can see the guru is guru. So market has risen 52%. The strategy has given return of 86%. Friends, Hina ji, like you were saying that losing money and all, start investing, be a part of value stock journey. You will start making money. That is what I can say. And you will start doubling your money, in fact. So the CAGR return is 23% right now. And this year it has given 86% of return, where index has risen 52%. New list will come on 7th of July. Now there is one more person, Jim Slater. Okay, the return is 104%. And the return is 104% and 52% return in index, and the strategy is this time is given 104% return, which is huge. And these are the parameters we have used for this strategy: return on equity, EPS growth, P ratio, PEG ratio, dividend yield, and free cash flow. And there are 11 stocks in this. So friends, for you guys, if you want to invest in small cap, आपको small cap अच्छे लगने लगे हैं क्योंकि market बढ़ रहे हैं तो सबको अच्छे लगते हैं. But I would request, invest wisely in small cap. It's very difficult because stock markets are really very good. At the same time, if you become little, अगर आप जरा सा भी indiscipline होते हैं, stock market will take you away, take your money away from you. So friends, invest in strategies जो बहुत well tested हैं, जो अच्छे quality stocks देते हैं, आपको headache नहीं है stocks के लिए, तो इसीलिए. Now, friends, for you guys, those who are attending this webinar, for them, we have bring something great for you guys. Till 30th June, 7 जुलाई को आपको stock का list मिल जाएगा. Approximately, अगर आप सारे strategies लेते हैं small cap के, this is for them who want to invest in almost जो अपना portfolio create करना चाहते हैं small cap stocks का. Anybody in the group who want to create his portfolio of small cap stocks, who have understood this market clearly and जानते हैं risk क्या है stock market का, and want to create a portfolio for small cap. Anybody? Let me see if anybody is there who want to take this opportunity of creating a strategy in a small cap only. Anybody from 127, Kalpa Shaji, and anybody else? Only one person. Great. So, okay, Bimal ji is also there. So exactly, sir. Those who want to create a portfolio for small cap strategies only, for them this is the best offer we can offer. We can offer you all the 5 strategies, all 5 small cap strategies, which include 2 quarterly and 3 yearly strategies, which has cost of 25,000 rupees, which is a cost of 25,000 rupees. We are giving you this at 15,000 till 30th of June. 30 जून तक हम लोग आपको ये 5 स्ट्रेटजी स्मॉल कैप के, जिससे आप अपना पोर्टफोलियो खाली स्मॉल कैप के स्टॉक्स का बना सकते हैं. मैंने चेक किया, अप्रोक्सीमेटली यू विल बी इन्वेस्टिंग इन 35 स्टॉक्स. You will be investing in 35 stocks of small cap. Ravindra ji, please do not use annotate. Yeah. So you will approximately get 30 to 35 stocks of small cap of great quality with mutual fund and great parameters and of great brain of great some of the great gurus. So ये आपको मिल जाएगा. Yes, we will also provide training. So friends, मैं आपको लिंक भी भेज देता हूँ 1-to-1. There is something known as 1-to-1 link. Now what is that 1-to-1 link? Let me tell you that. So there are some of the experts who are clearly trained in stock market about our product and everything. So आप क्या कर सकते हैं, ये 1-to-1 के लिंक के थ्रू, because I know it's very difficult to create trust on एक ही मीटिंग में ट्रस्ट क्रिएट करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट टास्क है. सो इफ यू वांट यू कैन टेक दिस 1-to-1 ट्रेनिंग, ठीक है. और 1-to-1 ट्रेनिंग में यहाँ पे अपना नाम, मोबाइल नंबर, आई हैव सेंड यू लिंक, विद द लिंक यू कैन रजिस्टर दिस. ओके. यस सचिन जी, यू कैन टेक, इट्स नथिंग. आप कभी भी ले सकते हैं, फायदा तो हर समय हो सकता है. और अभी लेंगे तो आपको फायदा क्या होगा कि अभी जो हमारी लिस्ट है वो भी आपको मिल जाएंगे, तो आपको एनालिसिस करने में समझ में आएगी. ठीक है, तो आप अभी भी ले सकते हैं. थैंक यू अविनाश जी. सो यू कैन चूज ईमेल आईडी, मोबाइल नंबर एंड यू कैन. इस 1-to-1 में क्या होगा, मैंने आपको म्यूट कर रखा है. यू कैन नॉट टॉक टू मी डायरेक्टली इन दिस 1-to-1 बिकॉज सो मेनी पीपल वी कैन नॉट स्पीक. हम लोग सबका प्रॉब्लम समझ नहीं सकते, बात नहीं कर सकते. तो फॉर देम हम लोगों ने क्या किया है, 1-to-1 वेबिनार रखा है वेयर यू कैन डिस्कस योर प्रॉब्लम, योर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के लिए क्या दिक्कतें आ रही है, क्या और कर सकते हैं आप. तो यू कैन डिस्कस इन 1-to-1 वेबिनार एंड कैन अंडरस्टैंड, कैन रिवैम्प योर स्ट्रेटजीज, रिवैम्प योर पोर्टफोलियो प्रॉपरली. आप कोई भी 5 स्टॉक के बारे में फ्रीली डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. And you can also understand कि कौन सी strategy आपको लेनी चाहिए, how will you, और detail कर सकते हैं basically. So friends, I have already sent you. Those who are interested, yes, you can buy any one strategy, no issue. You can buy one strategy, you can buy multiple strategy. सचिन शुक्ला जी, मार्केट अप हो या नीचे हो, स्टॉक मार्केट हमेशा पैसे देंगे. So please stop thinking on those line up and down. Important ये है कि मार्केट में आपको रहना है. You need to be in market. Let me give you this point again. I have been always talking, I'm always saying this in my webinar कि friends, अगर आप स्टॉक मार्केट में हैं, that is enough. मार्केट ऊपर है या नीचे है, that is not important. Market will always reward you. ठीक है. पॉइंट सबसे बड़ी बात है, क्यों रिवॉर्ड करेगी आपको? अगर आप क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स में हैं तो हमेशा आपको रिवॉर्ड करेगी, गिरे हुए मार्केट में हो या तेजी मार्केट में हो. कारण हमारी पॉपुलेशन 125 करोड़ लोगों की है और हार्डली 1%, 2%, 3% आदमी इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं. ठीक है, डायरेक्ट इक्विटी में तो और भी नहीं है. तो सारा जो मलाई है वो जो लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं उन्हीं को मिलना है. Those who are investing stock market, they will get this all benefit of market. So friends, आपको reward तो मिलना ही मिलना है, either you are in top or in bottom, but you need to keep on investing. अगर आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करते रहते हैं देन ओनली यू विल गेट मनी, अदरवाइज नॉट. सो डू नॉट थिंक, बिकॉज नोबडी नोज ये मार्केट कहां से गिरेगा कहां से बढ़ेगा. लेकिन अगर आप क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स में हैं तो उसके संग क्या होगा, लेट मी टेल यू दैट आल्सो. लाइक इफ यू आर इन्वेस्टेड इन क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स एंड नॉन क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स, हम लोग दो ग्रुप रखते हैं, क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स, नॉन क्वालिटी स्टॉक. मार्केट्स में दिस इज एट 100 रुपीज, दिस इज एट 100 रुपीज, मार्केट में गिरावट आई, ये दोनों स्टॉक्स गिरे. क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स गिरेंगी 70 रुपए तक आएंगी, नॉन क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स आ जाएंगी 50 रुपए तक. ठीक है, मार्केट्स बढ़ेंगे वापस से, क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स 120 रुपए हो जाएंगी, ये 50 से 55 ही होंगे. सो फ्रेंड, दिस इज द गैप बिटवीन क्वालिटी एंड नॉन क्वालिटी. अभी ये 100 से, ये 105 से 120 से ये 500 रुपए हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, क्यों होता है, क्यों नॉन क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स लोगों के आंखों में आ जाते हैं, ये 500 रुपए हो जाएंगे, 1000 रुपए हो जाएंगे. और ये जो नॉन क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स है, उसके बाद ये तो 1000 रुपए हो गए, इसको तो आपको लगता है कि 1000 रुपए के हो गए, ये स्टॉक्स तो बहुत महंगे हो गए, अब मुझे लेना नहीं है. ये जो 55 रुपए वाली है, अब ये चलना शुरू करेंगी, ये हो जाएंगी 100. देन यू विल राइट ऑन चैट, सर there is one stock which is you have recommended as non quality, has doubled in last given 100% return in last 6 months, and I will say, sir, please don't buy it. And if you have bought, please exit it. Okay, now what will happen, market will again crash and it will again become 30 rupees, and you allow, oh my god, what I have done. So friends, this is what happened with non quality stocks. So yes sir, if you want to enter today, you can enter today also, there is no issue. So you can get the list today also. So उसमें आप कुछ स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं, और 7 जुलाई में जब फ्रेश स्टॉक की लिस्ट आए तब इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. बट ये जो ऑफर है ये 30 जून तक वैलिड है. अगर किसी को अपना पूरा स्मॉल कैप में स्ट्रेटेजी क्रिएट करना है, फॉर देम दिस ऑफर इज देयर. So that is all friend. I'm again sending you link of 1-to-1. Would request you to join this 1-to-1 webinar. This is very helpful. हाँ, इसमें आपका पर्सनल क्वेरी आंसर होगा, और yeah, offer is 25,000. All 5 small cap strategies which has a cost of 25,000, we are giving you at 15,000. Okay. Now let us have something else. No friends, it's time for a feedback. We have 95 people, we had around 180 people, so 25,000 का कॉस्ट है सर, और आपको ये 15,000 मिलेगा. सचिन जी प्लीज ज्वाइन 1-to-1, और वहां से अब आप जान लीजिए. आई हैव रिपीटेड दिस 2 or 3 टाइम्स. ओके, फॉर क्वार्टरली, दो क्वार्टरली स्ट्रेटेजी है तो वो क्वार्टरली रहेगी, और 3 एनुअल स्ट्रेटेजी है तो वो एनुअली रहेगी. So thank you friends for the feedback. I've got 2-3 feedback. Thank you. Thank you sir, thank you. Hope no sir, Jay Shukla ji, EMI is not available. Thank you friends, thank you Hina ji. So start investing, start making profits, start enjoying your investment. Invest fearlessly in small cap, and to invest fearlessly in small cap, only invest in quality stocks. And quality parameters are only 4 parameters: sales growth, profit growth, free cash flow, and return on equity greater than 15. Riyad ji, please talk to Prateek for recording. Thank you Nitish Goyal ji, thank you for your appreciation. Thank you sir, thank you very much. This strategy, annual strategy, will remain valid for 1 year. Quarterly strategy will remain valid for quarterly. Moreover friends, if you talk to Prateek, I can give you his number. It's on website. So this is his number, you can see this on screen. This is his number, you can call him, and he has lots of offer available with him, so you can avail that also. So yeah. Oh great. Yeah, thank you friends. Thank you. So small cap, you can make huge profits small cap, but you need to be very clear in your mind that you can invest, you should invest in only quality. Okay. Thank you, friend. Ravindraji, if you are retiring and if you are thinking that yes, I would invest for 5 years, 6 years, and there is someone to look after small cap strategy, the stocks for you, then you should invest in small cap. मार्केट्स में बहुत पैसे हैं सर. सो क्योंकि सबसे बड़ी बात है कि there is such so much of gap between this is the number of Pratik I have given on chat. So बस आपको invested रहना है. That is the most important part of investment, कि आपको invested रहना है. For quarterly, you need to pay every quarterly. Ajay Singh ji, please join this 1-to-1. They are very clear in marketing and all. So मैंने तो quality समझाया आपको mainly. I have given Amarpreet ji of quality stocks. Please see the recording. Please ask Pratik for recording. You will get current strategy. You will get on 7th July. Okay, you will get all the list on 7th July. So friends, thank you for all the appreciation. Thank you for attending the webinar. Hope you have taken some good information from this webinar, and this will help you in your investment and in your life. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much. Thank you, Avinash. Thank you.